Hello everyone, Brandon here at Impeccabilities, powered by Kaizenk. Today I'm going to be showing you maintenance that can be done on the chili flash that we have here. So one of the things you want to do is just make sure that you have a clean surface on the top. Make sure there's no lint or ink, which there shouldn't be ink up here, but if there is, you want to clean that immediately so it doesn't transfer everywhere. Another one that you want to do is you can hold test and it'll turn on your bulbs. You just want to make sure that all your bulbs are working. Another one that you want to look out for is your lint trap here, which it slides out. If I can get it, give me 1 second. There it goes. So this slides out. You take this out, make sure there's no lint on it. I already cleaned this, so but I just wanted to show that this whole thing comes out. Just slide it back in. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.